My focus mode only has single shot and manual, and my videos never stay in focus. I don't know how to fix it. I am going to show you how to fix it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sia Tarawali. I post tech videos for beginners. I post tutorials for you guys showing you how to set up your camera, use your camera, and also I answer a lot of the questions you guys post on here. So make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notification, and stay tuned for more videos like this. So we're gonna get straight into the video. I do have notes down here because I don't want to forget anything, and then you have to come back here and ask me, even though I love you guys asking me questions, but the goal is for you guys to really be confident enough to like use your camera, enjoy your camera, and not have to like just want to throw it away and just put it down and never use it. Now I'm going to show you the first one, which is the face eye priority settings. You want to turn on your camera, go to menu, and then you're going to go down to where you see AF/MF right there, and then go down to subject recognition. You want to make sure subject recognition in AF is turned on instead of off. So if yours is off, make sure this is on. And then this is the first one. The second one is going to be your focus mode selection, which is, like you said, you have single shot AF. This camera has single shot AF and manual focus, right? So you want to make sure the camera is set to single shot AF when it comes to vlogging. Now, single shot is basically good for like stationary subjects, and then manual is good for like controlled fixed focus scenarios, right? Which, to break it down, let's say the types of videos that I do is good for manual focus. I'm not moving around, none of that. So manual focus will be good for me because I'm in a controlled environment. But if you're vlogging, single shot is good. This camera is not an action camera. So obviously when you're vlogging, you want to make sure you're not like moving the camera around too much. If you want to do stuff like that, you have to get a gimbal, because then that's going to help the camera be controlled where it's not shaky. You're not going out of focus and going back in focus and all that. So yeah, single shot is great. Just leave it right there. But this is where basically you can go to see if it's set up in single shot or manual. You want to go to menu, and then we're going to go out. The same AF/MF right there. You're going to go to focus mode, click on it, and then you're going to see single shot AF manual focus. Let me go back out so I can show you guys again. You want to click menu. Make sure you're here. See, when you scroll, make sure you're right there. AF/MF. Click right, and then where it says AF/MF, click right. Focus mode is where you're gonna see that. We all know this is touch screen too, so you can use your fingers if you want to, but that's where you can find that. And since we're already here, this was like the, I think, 7th thing or 6th thing that I mentioned, is the pre-autofocus. You want to make sure this is on, and it's right there after you see the focus mode pre-AF. Make sure this is on instead of off. So if it's off, turn it on, and then you're good when it comes to these over here. So just to recap a little bit, your subject recognition, make sure that is turned on, and then go to AF/MF, make sure that is set to single shot, and then pre-AF is turned on instead of off. The next thing is going to be product showcase. Like I told you guys, this camera has a mode called product showcase. When the camera's right here and I click FN, I already have my product showcase somewhere right there, and mine is off. If I am doing a video where I have to show product, then I will turn it on because it kind of helps, you know, focus more on the product. But mine is off right now. If not, it's going to mess up your focus mode a little bit. So I do recommend you turning that off. Now, if you do not have it here, where you can find it in menu is menu, and then the first one that says shooting, that has like the camera sign, you want to go right, and then you're gonna scroll all the way down to where you see shooting options. Click right, product showcase set. You can see mine is off right now, but if I want to turn it on, I can turn it on. But like I said, let's keep that off, and then that's it. Another thing I'll actually recommend you guys always check out is your shooting mode. I know a lot of people like to shoot in intelligent auto. I will recommend you guys shoot in manual at least. So to find it, it's the same like camera stuff over there. And then you're gonna go right, shooting mode, and then click on that. Mine is set to manual right now, but you have like intelligent auto, program auto, aperture priority, shutter priority, and then you have manual. So mine is set to manual. The focus area is something that is really essential. So they have like wide, I think they have center, they have, let me show you guys the different like focus modes they have. For this one, you want to go to AFMF, the same place where we did like the subject recognition and all that. You're gonna click right, and then it's going to be the focus area. Click right and then click on it. You want to make sure it's set to wide. You always want to make sure this is set to wide because a lot of people use this camera for vlogging anyway, so that's the best place. Let's say you're not at the center of the camera, you're to the side on the left, you're to the side on the right. It's gonna like focus on you instead of just like the center. So if you choose zone, for example, you can like select the zone you want the camera to focus in, and then if you choose center fix, it's just gonna focus in the middle. So you don't really want that when you're vlogging. You always want to make sure this is set to wide, so just click on that, set that. If I click on my FN, I do have like my basic things that I always want to have access to right there, so I can always go over here and change my focus area if I want to. So mine is set to wide. You want to keep it at that. Not sure if you guys can see it, but when you have subject recognition on, you should see like a box around my face that shows you, okay, I am in focus. Hopefully you guys can see it on the screen, but that is the subject recognition, which is why you have to turn that on. And also the little like box around your eyes and all that, that is what helps the camera know, okay, this is a human being, I need to focus on this person. Go to where it says subject recognition. You already turned this on. Now we're also gonna make sure the subject, the target, sorry, is set to human and not animal. This camera, you can also set face memory. We're not really gonna go into that or go into like setting that up in this video, but you can also do that. I think that kind of helps if as soon as you stand in front of the camera, it's gonna know, okay, this is the face. It's already set up in the camera. I need to focus on this face. But even without you setting up that, if you do everything I just told you, you should be fine. So basically for vlogging, you want to make sure your subject recognition is on, your area set to wide, and then your face eye priority is on. And then if you're doing talking head videos, you want to make sure you disable product mode. Even without doing talking head videos, I just keep it off because I don't even want to like deal with that. I will only keep it on if I am doing stuff that has to do with product, or if I'm doing a video and then let's say somewhere in the video I want to show a product, I'll probably turn it on, because sometimes you don't even necessarily have to turn it on. Your video should still be fine, especially if you have good lighting around you. So that's the other thing, you want to make sure your lighting is set up great. If you're filming with this camera, I recommend the best time to film with this camera is daylight. I just think it looks better with daylight. So find somewhere in your house where you can set up the camera in front of a window. Like you put look at the window, put the camera, and you're sitting right there. So all the light is on you. Your video is gonna come out great. If you follow all these steps, I promise you your videos are gonna come out really great, very sharp, amazing. I don't think you should have any problems. If you do all these settings and you feel like you're still having problems, definitely let me know in the comment section and I will look into it and see how else I can help you guys. But for now, I'm gonna end this video here, and I will be posting more like answers to questions you guys have. So if you have more, make sure you ask me in the comment section. And if you want to see any type of videos from me also, whether it's with this camera or any other camera, let me know in the comment section and I'll definitely work on that. Thank you guys so much for the support. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.